Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use blow dryer brush. Firstly, section your hair into small manageable parts using clips. This ensures even drying and styling throughout. For thick or long hair, start from the bottom layers first. Clip the rest out of the way. Now place the brush at the roots and give a gentle lift to create volume. Then slowly guide the brush from the root to tip, letting the heat and bristles do the work. Always keep the brush moving to avoid overheating or creating dents. Work in smooth, continuous motions from root to end. And if your brush gets tangled, pause, gently detangle and continue. Now's the fun part, personalize your look. For waves or curls, twist the brush slightly at the end and hold for a few seconds. And for straight hair, keep steady tension while pulling straight down. Now, once you're happy with your style, switch to the cool setting from one last pass, and this will help lock in the shape, reduce frizz, and add shine. Finish with a light mist of styling spray or serum for hold and smoothness. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.